Play P Baroch ka tup Khubor jengi kedan Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Kerpat kiseng bahalang garo ban pensange thungnas ha MLHP. Turki hati hakilengkha ud kinong rap haudisi. Kanglenti kipulit yaki dekhot ka HNYM ban tur se sekretariat. Ban mi kisamla load ban yakun football ha Odisha ban West Bengal. Tomantang ni phaj ki Khubor ki bakhamnia. Kiseng bhalang babon jat na kilom garo kila tho memorandum show menteri rangba ukon rat ke sangma bandawa kam na gabanta ki nurse garo han nation health mission. Hakata ka memorandum kila pen kan mau yo menteri rangba bahaka athulai tarik Nailar la thung kam mi ki nurse hakikardan ba pher ha mid level health provider MLHP hagilom garo kadba amdan ka weiru kan nurse na kani ka jaka kabala yo rungkam kila keno ru baka sorkar kala thungka mekinas klem dapan bena pai ba khnang bakinas na kilom garo kinla ban terwaya lade bantrai hakita kikam kila keno baka ni ga jingle jaka sorkar kaya persha ya ka bahakam balamang na banta ki garo kabla trai kam mentala bun snem hakata ka memorandum kila kedo haru sau phwei tili ki kam la thung da ki bre ki bamde na kilom garo ki bamnang watang ban kran ya ka tin bakran ki pai ba hakini ki jaka kani ka jingduna kan bu jing e shibun naga banta kini ki breu ki bala thongkam naga banta kishnong ha kilom garo hakata ka memorandum la karpa da sarkar ban pensange mardor kita ki bala thongkam ban tre tar hadu banda penlong interview thamai naga banta ki nurse naga jai ban reu garo
dingdo laking pa issue ni bidingo chnga tal chief minister na lekha ko dc ni through atata ha warang ni bidingo chnga 아직 잣 사칸티난 바니 수행거바 사칸티난 증아 제콘 먹송에 달로 칩 미니스터나 레카고 시야타 하점 와 먹송아니랑코 멍사멍근니 내게 아간 탈라테 온나니랑코 닥나때 시행아 증리 달로 칩 미니스터나 레카 시행나 디시니 트루 와타트파 레카오 자나파니데 얀 middle level health providers MLHP Jian NHM National Health Mission ni ngao gesa post ngacem ya post na recruit ka ni bidingo aditan jija so jengjeng ngani rang kwan ching nikna gata matna unigi sepon chinga ndake janabat na gata khushi ngaje ya chingni Garo Hills na Jian mija tathari kocham kolgirkatham Agus hazagni ko gutamo je candidates rangkon ba je MLHP na candidate memangna verification rangna okam memangna unigi sepon verification okamani jamano wa mangko appoint kana nemna saksot brisa ko jian sakol gukni de North Garo Hillso sak chigni de South West Garo Hillso haru saksni de West Garo Hillso appoint ka ahacham wa appoint ka ani bidungo nga ndake janabat na ta kusyong bea je ya appoint ka ani ko dakani process ko chingni ka ode aro chingni sanji matna ni ode ya onggepa recruit ka ani rangko ba rumna pani rangko dakja ane chinga nikna gata matna maina ya mission National Health Mission ni ngao anching Meghalaya ni je anching ni mission director ongingacham wa anthangni skagata ba je dake skhangunin ya MHLP na recruit khaingacham wa ndakpa rantha ba wa ndake recruit khagpa process ko jarkija anthangni skagata dakna gata amma anemna chinga nakna gata matna chinga iko aganingon ya ko maini gimana aganinga ya je saksut brisa je kon chinga dasio thalata hacham saksut brisa je an Garo Hills na ane mangna dingthang mancha MLHP na appoint ka hacham wa saksut brisa ko bisong campus recruitment ko dakaha jean campus recruitment ko daknas khangba anchingni ya MHLP sanungja anchingni Meghalaya ba state government ni recruitment process rang advertisement ka isa gemuk takisa anching recruitment nangko dakrung acham andi ba iya keso de chinga ndita chungni sandi nekanio advertisement khaja ba advertisement ko nja ane mangna skang ba changa nakna kata mana ha gni gpao anda ke ba changa jana batna kata khushio ngaje ya GNM candidates rangko ya MHLP na eligible ongja angapani bidungo batnga andake ba jana batna kata khushio be beben hajal gni chisku o Indian Nursing Council ni kita direction ko de onata ha beben Hazal me kolgruk sku hazal gini chisku o anchini Indian National Council jian anchini Ministry of
Tal snga dulbunga nangrum women NGOs jian snga FKGGP GSU interim body ADE FF AYWO dokni chief minister na representation ko anchini Turani deputy commissioner Jaktis Chelani Jakchi on baha uni disebut snga dikeke adok surkari na snga representation onataniyo CM onatani ukuarang jana patna akan dapat yang chni kita dao existing GNM nursing school rango ko dao central ni dungtang tang guidelines rang order rang sukbagin chmo ode ya rang ko dungtang nakba khamu khang nagda de ba tackle ka nagda dakke de existing ya GNM nursing school rangoni ko upgrade ka china BSc nursing college na je rakode makhang china nagi dakke obostan ko nakang na nangjana gda dakke chka mol atenga absan sumayo chnga adok sorkari ko aro health department ko ge duatenga mai dakke sa dengtang post chunawni bo post dala bo post bang bo khumi bo andi ba government recruitment na de advertisement ko out ka dibi ya mija do obostong eng pani bidung de advertisement out ka ja advertisement ko ra mani out ka ja chingari ko de blongin ja ja ni ko public ba singa aro chinga ba chini ba chinga dolbo enjoys ni ba chinga singa te maini gimen sai rang ko ra advertisement ko ra dak ja khanda kha ja mana advertisement de mas private sector mangba sorkari ni dakchakani ko mannenga onde sorkari ko ba thangka paise je ona kung mannenga private sector public sector gemuk on je chuna post pong dalla post pong bo post bang bo khomi bo andi ba advertisement de out khana nang thela what mandatory ongo ba kora minus bypass ka ska emuna advertisement out kha gijan ki recruitment khana ma yare chni sngatani ongia ya ko de health department ta clarification out khana nangen ba issue khana nangen dege aro da isia Evaluate president ni agarang anikta singa wakoba singa ko stress katninga da o adok kondita ning kanira bangya Garu Hills region ko nga kana dengtang department health department sanongja uni gemen IS level oni joint secretary each and every department ge antian Garu Hills ni ba Garu Hills ba dongna nangnok setup kana against state common unosa nambat ni kamana ko khangna manakta singa kya ma joint secretary level oni IS asungin sim osa dengtang kamana ko nirok naman gen aro absan sumayo technical team but technical office ko set up kana ngya for each and every department mana matam department rang ode technical team dongjani selrang ba dengtang project central yo ngo state ni ngo kham kha ani rango nirok pa dongja technical expertise rang dongjani giban dengtang problem ko face ka nga dengtang obostan ge ongor ka nga yang onde Dita tangka state government jakhala chiba central government jakhala onata chiba jakhala chiba namgrian chenga chngade urigimen yarang kore tharak kale adok sorkari niat pachira chnga monatya
Kaseng kinong Rabranikor Farmers Association RFA hakalai phuai tere Nailar Kralet Ur Chow Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District nakajing penjulor jongki hati klau yakilengkha ki risai jongki hakini kisngi Kire thu bakakun hon jongki hati klau kibaladon amduna yaka arphosan tli kilawan na kiwei pat kijaka ban wat jingbam hakane ka por basdang ban I kiso hakibri ki bisa hakane kathan Kinong yalam juga RFA kilakar padi UDC ban pha yaki breu juga wildlife ban beno yaki hati na kane kathan chaki jaka bakiwan Kilakar paru ya UDC ban pha yaki officer na ka office jung u ban wan pet yaki jing penjulor jong kini ki hati balada long kabala ban ya rap by lut ksan lem na ka banta jong ki kumba juai haki por ba penjulor ki bor mariang
Ilagay lang ilan nagsawa ko. Kom Di bari kong matrai. Bari sendiri amat. Matrai langsung. Jadi musa tahu lagi kong. Udah jerah nuwun.
Juga renkor area formation giwan yang kenduk mentaya di si nak mentah ke di giwan kiu jong di hati lendi di bar klau giwan pencet kemarep mariang jong ya di tan boda nak tak tahu gila aipor ya ka aipor ya sarkar wa kubuk no sibnai de berkerja mardo ya ke di bar klau para jumlah berkerja hapok di bunai nak liang di nongrep di berkaweng di penlong ya ke meeting di paiba nongrep di hapsim nak gue garai Nomor la ars nem tam mentah di giwan kiu di hati pencet kemarep mariang jong ya di tan boda jong ni dari kori dia bergawai kemudian menu-menu bukan kami bukan pej jadi di bar klau awak jadi bisa jumlah ban klet ni jumlah pentai jaga nar by life bapli dah kalian jongki nyumdon isu ban ong namar baki nak kalian ginong rep na pentip saki kilawan bapli asin laisin kilawan kila sambit senongna ben step kilawan ben bit hajinya lam sar sakumi udah by life simi lara ardong masa balik be di hati dek kabakut di ngilik be dak Shillong kawa si Shillong kawa hadin ketuk di por di hati wan pai biang teman ta nak ka daw long by night ya tar by life kuat cuban OEA jadi direct cak sarkar mta sarkar dari ban pai pat lem sangi pinong rep apa ya ki mrat diri jeng duk jeng pak song pak thau ki siar ki mesti ki belang la ai dak hukum yang di benari wan sumar kata nak kalian jong sarkar ban pari ban sumar ki dan rek masosi kalau bayar ki di mrat klau pat larangin siat di penjot ki dak sarkar ki msya dan kata lah pimsa benjot di mat klau ka sarkar gede bandon lah ka jong ke jaka panri sumar di mat klau kadon gi ong ba larangin be juan setan borda sai ranikor gin be sai ingin be kata ka jikli babu din lai sai ingin be ina kaliang jung jiku makan ranikor area formation gi ong bana e kimi haba gimi nang ta be sa kata ka jaka haba yang gi mer jadi jing dub jong gi kumkin ki nong song thau gi don la ka sekari ka sumar ki Tika sorkaru hodon ting para klau di bandon laga jong ka sumar. Rafi plailan kundi sumur kolong pana kalian di nogrep. Di hapan sim dak nu kalar nu kunti men pencot sendon ki. Nomor ki pencot di marep jongi. Kata kalong jingkar pa jongi sak sorkar seup hapan sim di lem par hapon simnai tentu kriya mardor no yakini hiti. Yakni hati. Kapakut na kalian jongi ka rankor area formation. Lagi mlan kriya apa simnai ni hapan sim dak kami perkara.
Kipulet hakalai phuai tarik Nailar kila khang lenti ya kinong yalam bat ki dekhot jangka neutrap National Youth Movement ki bat mu ban tur sa secretariat ban penpau ya ki jingdawa jangki naga sarkar ban ple ki lar ki lenti yo kam yo jam ya ki samla ki bala syam haka sat na ka jingkerdu ki kam hakini ki por daki spa ngur ki dekhot bat kinong kershan ke HNYM kila mi madan bandrung sa sekretariat da kabar rangkat ki poster ki ba kaang ban pensange amardo da ka bamsa bampong ya ki jingsni ki bala sedang kenre bat buru e ka imlang salang ha ka jingma ha ki ni kisngi ki pulit kila khang lenti ki dekhot ke HNYM namar ka deputy commissioner kong RM kurba kala penjari ka kendon an 144 CRPC ka bamana banyalum lembung bat ban yai procession pa ba ka bala ban penthut ya kalit kawan jongki pa ba
Memorandum sungguh ni remind yang kini on the 3rd of July 2023. Remind yang kini kasih tarik July arca apa? Sistem mentah On the 8th of November 2022, Wang Yangi ba lai kendo ye pengis keteriak. Wang da, this is a very genuine issue Wang ni. Orang as tenang berkedar lagi NGO ini. Let us examine this matter and we'll discuss in the assembly, in the cabinet. Oh yes sir, how much will it take time? Wang no, only 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Wow, 3 weeks is only 1 year, more than 1 year. There, only talk yang ini dia. Umat bangi di kelung sah. Nah, lah dan kikon itu yang ada orang bang, jaga family. Dua ikut orang semua orang fitrah yang ini punya. Oh, talk yang ini sudah kata. Tak kata ikut jaga sang mata kilo ready dia. Kau ni fight tu, kau ready dia. Nomor ini kipulit yang ini mata.
Kisardar Shillong bat kiwai kilalong ki kok salang mat jog gajak benriu. Ka HNYM ken saya tengku. Balai ngi persya ya kijing di jaga puta sagi bai pat kijak benriu. Balai ngi persya ya kijing wan bela jagi bai kijak benriu hapo kari ke jongi. Balai ngi persya ya kijing wan tei ya kita ki company baper hapo kabri new trap ke jongi. Kalang namar ba kini ki company bat kita kiwai kicing mentoi bala wara ada kita ki private company na bar kita tang kicing yo onong ya ki priyo ki bana bar utrari try mengau kondang ayai ban bang yen patang ha kini kisi ke baraja po Janda Hills katop samsiman kala abad the di kiwa he Shillong yang kita ke area hagaba maki ki ong ba na kaliang jongi ngila ai NOC ya kani ka top san siman na ta shu ka ba kham sko putar galong ba kini ki wa he Shillong joka East Center Hills kimi imenen ki ong bangi peram jor ya kitu ki ba tim sang yau DC Deputy Commissioner jong kau East Center Hills ubala sho ala dat ya wai perdo persam jungi hadu pandemi Islam hapdang surok Kem penram kini kiwa Shillong jong kita ke Janda Hills ya ki memberi kala rembai kala laj ke jawai kala laj ke kleriat kalum Shillong kala laj ke kti jeng bar Jylla hatu ki aimo kita kiwa Shillong bat kita ki doloi jong kita ke area ngan keren suaya ke Janda Hills kado ngan poi syak
Kiti Meghalaya State Football Junior but Sub Junior Boys kinshim banta hakalumpung elekai Football National Football Championship 2008 pulai kaban long ha Odisha but West Bengal. Habakran bakilat bathai Khubor u chairman ka Youth Committee Meghalaya Football Association ba Sunish CM ulayat ho baka Meghalaya Junior Boys under 16 kan yalekai haka santre Nailar ha Orissa. Kadba ka Sub Junior Boys under 14 kan yalekai ha Nailar Nailar ha West Bengal. Shwaba kini ki arkan hon ken mi na Meghalaya kala don ka jinga kendu ulang hamadan MFA Turf Polo kalai photare Nailar 2008 pulai. Nakaliang ka Youth Development Cell Meghalaya Football Association kala kit bokit riang ya kini ki kunhon bakin ya lekai bha khnang ban wan ra ya ka nam ka buram ha ka Jylla.
Yang subahai gini ki buan nakaliang ka press ru be don lang ni ka ni. Te kompet yang ifi finla ban ya lekai bha. Te kum na do anang kong kasingi ngala ju ngala ong ipi ba ka Meghalaya team kire ban kan mau ka don hapo ka tier 1 boro artli kas junior ru ka sub junior ru te kari India bro ka hi football fraternity jongi ngipek ba ya ka Meghalaya kipek ba Meghalaya baka dekat state ka ba ila kai ba ka jingila ka football te ka sub junior ru kala de ong ipi sub junior Meghalaya pile ila ka jete sub junior team ka defending champion kan mau Hakalian ni belum arhajar khatra ka Meghalaya kalong champion. Te hadian katu kadon ka COVID kam sim lala bandon ka ni ka tournament ke mentak sedang biang. Te ka kermen ba phi bro artli ki team pinyala kai bha persang dipidi bandon katu jingmod hadian ni tmu bangin poi shakhmat sim ya kawai ki jingla kai hadian kawai. Perkat choi ka first game ngin job ka first game ngin sa job sa second game sa third game kumta sim kawai ka game haka ju haka Moli sim padong bangin poi sa em. Sim ko ga game ko mo parang take one game at a time. Mo te tang katahi nga nakaliang jonga nga kitbok ke riang ifi ko finla ban ya kai bha bat ko mo ang kong pia le ka naman ta ka prestige jong ka Meghalaya prestige jong ka yeng kasem ka prestige jong hi. Mo te tang gini kikten nga ko le fi baro bat nga kernan ba finya poi su poi sang che jaka ba fiele bat pinya le kai bha bat kumju hi coaches ki ngalam ba kin ya pej bha ki khna bakin light na ka jingpang jing sistem bat kila ban ya kai bha mo tok mentangi don pengka jingkung krek ba Meghalaya team or arteli kini ile ka sabar kuai kedika junior state team kedika under 16 kuai pada kedika sub junior under 14 team kedika junior team kan mi lasin sajan kan ile ka sapo Bhubaneswar Orissa kedika sub junior team pada kan mi ila Shai Kasngi ka ni ile ka sapo Malda Bengal ka jingila ka ke penungkong jong Meghalaya junior team kan dei haka santarik jong Benai Banwan ka sub junior pada kan jingila ka haka lightering jong Benai Banwan hi ti makalong mentahi tingila ai persang hi bangin pengkrea kat bangila di kuma fitip hi baka junior team haka sen baka peloh ne po Meghalaya Shillong ru ka poi semi final haji sang ila dei ila kai bahi temalong bangi surem no salit ha Mizoram kita Mizoram kalalong pada ka champion jong ka tournament te ha be dei pada sub junior team ha ni ka edition ke belade ke balong kaliani hawar hajar kapra te nadun katu pada ngi khalamlong su pada sub junior ka Meghalaya ka defending champion te ka Meghalaya kara ai katu ka cup hapo kaliani di menta kamut ngin lek sapo Malda kam sub junior team kan lek ka defending champion
Ini kedai state team na po.
Kedai state team hi kebangi pengkreat na Meghalaya Football Association. Kani kedai kebangi lum lo di kena baru kai na ki district ke fair ke affiliate mat ka Meghalaya Football Association. Te kalong ka ka challenge mo ang namo tin parang yang ni ka liang ka MFA bangin penuandori kini ki kena nama babuna pen kini ki kena kide ki ba popli ki kena ki batang ki ba bele ka hala ki snong lejong ndai ai ka jingi ro update ki kena kinda kila 1 point bide hang Shillong nang ila jit ki kila akin ba menta bakin adap ya kata ka standard pangila punya kai ti ko makalong mentahi ti ki kena kila ilong ready kinya bakin le persya ki bide ki states nomor ka Meghalaya ka don hapo ka Taiwan jong ni ka lumpung nomor ka Taiwan kita ki tim ki bakan sai sudah kum ka Meghalaya ka Mizoram Karnataka Nataka Punjab Kerala kini kita don hapo ka Taiwan ti ka don sa kawai ka Taiwan pada ki tim subakam tlot di kemudian manus nam kita ki teams ki balong champion apa kata tu ki kiyo sa Taiwan di kemudian so sarong mga Meghalaya di kawai ki team na ki teams ki badan apa ka Taiwan kemudian di kawai ni ki teams ki baham flank apa ka di India jeng
Tapi punya madan ban training.
nam kan ni te ka madan hi jong ka MFA te nama sisin baka practice ka state team ka preference ka di nungkong so ka state team ka senior ka junior ka sub junior kani ka madan hi jong ka MFA te sisin baka practice ka junior team ka sub junior team lani ka senior team ka preference ka di suaya ka state team ki namar kami kamat nama ta ka Jylla ti jong team
Okay.
Hakalai puai terik Nailar. Kamau ngap government LP school kala penlong ya ka jingalang pen kuburam ya ka kong hanamon kriem kabala shong thait na ka kam hikai hakanika school. Ya ka jingalang pen kuburam la penlong hapalau yeng school. Ka kong hanamon kala hikai hakate ka school nandu usnam arhajar henriu hadu arhajar arpulai. Hakani ka jingalang pen kuburam la don ki dekhot jang ka managing committee ki kimi ki kpa ki nong hikai bat ki khna school ban ai khublei kitbok khadu bat ban pan pauru ya ka jing sngongu ya ki jing trei jo kani ka nong hikai hakini ki khat nyaus nam balala lapan phu ya kani ka sngi da ki jing shat jang ki khna school bat ki member jang ka parent teachers association PTA
Jomwa berjayang baro.
Kali kapor pamenta Khubor sibon iki kenten priang subha jong phi yang lembat ki bahayeng ki basem ki jong kali kapor pamenta ni kong apan pau ki jong songu yo blai paula beten lenti yang haduk menta kani kalong kasi kaban sak kan mau si syai ka jing em ka jong bat jong phi ngai khublai ya baro ki dong keren ki ba la keren haswa jong nai pun nai mention cu iki kumjo ia gitu gijing bernya kita prepare kita pilapan hakani kapor kebenta bat kalalong ru kajing kemen yangi kita don hakani kapor kebenta ngai iba nado ki kena nasri hado ki long keme ki laya sakilang da kajing kemen bat dagamen sem kajing sungu ngapan pau pat pedeng ya gijing ai sobha gijong khi baro yanga tang tek kumno ngapoi hakani ka school ngako awanya thu pi deling ba jong ikong ban suk suting ibadai hati che ibalaklat no I oyanga khai onga ngan song thai no saw tare kin ai ferel nga sawan no kana tenga onga ing onga to sawan ta hadian arte yo yong biaya nga pila le kum no kha pila tho application nga bakhlem don jingmot na la de bangan wan hang ni te kamot nga suong tho application yong kila ai bon hai president ha to ko por president dei ba Edward Kurba tur mu la le chakban te yong na is le pan NOC makhang om to te kom ta ngala persyang man le kata te bat kata kare gijing sedang pajong hang ni nganum keren boni kiwe ngai ha ka lai tarik kamot nga jon hang ni ha ka lai tarik jong benai me ar hajan reu bat mentang along khan yo snem lai benai ha ka ni school tak ti nam ta gini snem kaya kajing kublay kabani kong ka let sya ka school managing committee kabalong ka board ka baha kledo abanta ban pe ya ka baha ka mian jong ri ka school ko jongi bat ka long kum ni ka bakalong menta ngai kublay ro ikmi pa ling ba jong ka seng jong ki ka parent teachers association kabalong ka ti ka man ka ti ka diang bat ka jing ku ya ka school jongi hi pa ro away ngai kublay I hat teacher balong para try jonga ki parang na hikai kum ki men bat ki para ki ba ki jonga hakakam baro askata ya pentulun lang ya kan ke salentem ban penya ya kan kali ndai ke jingla ke jonga marwai ya trelang kum ki para ni kai ndai menta ngala dei ban syania happy ba penang ya treasure ham da ke jing ya kakam kanang moron ra ya ka standard jong ka school namar ka nang ya ikipon ginang kwa iban ka ti ka standard ti nga ai kublay ka pangro ikino hikai ka ba ki jonga ki jongi ki bangi khot ya rap ya ki don laingot kini da ka mensem jong ka jing ai ti lot ba ka jing trei sitam ka jong ki kalong ka jing mentu ka jing bentoy ba ka jing kurku ka ba krau ya kani ka school ko jongi ho dai jing siu baret ngai ki lai sa sitom te nga so badong batu blen kur khu ya phi ba phi nya yo ka jing kot ki jing khia aka met aka men sim lai jing siu baret ngai blen
da ka jing phu jing phing pen kup nam ka Sinot College Shillong ya ki samla puli ki bala pas bha ya ka graduate hadinam hall jayau hakalai phuwei tarik unailar hakani ka program uba Frederick R Kharkongor ulalong ukong san hakani ka jingalang penkup nami ki samla puli kani ka college ladon hadu andriu spa live hundringut ki samla puli ki bala pas na kani ka college bat la penkup nam ki khandangut ki samla ki bala yo kerdan ba hakmat haki subject honors ba pair haka result bala penbana daga North Eastern Hills University ya ka khusnam Sinot College Academic Excellent Award lapan kup nam ya ki samla bakan thop ya ka Yusuk Lang Thaba 5th position zoology ka Shaliban El Maulong 6th position zoology Kumbathmu Rani 9th position zoology Balahun Kharmusalman 10th position zoology Rimeyaka Walang 4th position geography Payabas Kem Kharkongor 5th position geography Evangeline Mayoram 5th position geography Adrenaline ding do 8th position geography but usamla Mea Lambha Rantathyang 9th position geography ka Thomas Jones Memorial Award college ki armut ki samla kanthei ka samla Aitisha Basayomot highest scores first division but ka Bayo Hinshisha Khongshun highest scores first English
Good afternoon to all of you. The respected principal of the Synod College, respected vice principal, Dr. Charles Ruben Lindo, the coordinator of the IQAC, Dr. Gary Lindo, all the faculty members, dignitaries on the dais, parents, and most importantly, the young graduating students of the Synod College. I don't really have a speech, but a few thoughts to share on this occasion. We live in we are part of an agrarian society. The Khasi Jaintia community is largely an agrarian society, has always been, and in many ways we still continue to be. And in an agrarian society, one of the most important days of the year is the harvest day. The day when all the hard work that has been done after you've plowed the fields, after you've planted the seeds, and then you see the rich harvest. So today, the college is in fact celebrating this harvest, and you are the fruits of this harvest. So I would like to congratulate all 636 of you graduating students. Many of you are here, and some of you, as I was told by the principal, have perhaps gone out for their further studies. I wish both categories, both the ones who are here and those who have gone out, my heartiest congratulations. It is a milestone which many of you will not forget, because it's an important chapter of your life. It marks an important portal. We live now in this generation where we talk about websites and portals. But the real meaning of the word portal means it's a door. It's a new opening to another world. Today will mark the end of your journey as students, but it will mark the beginning of your entry into new lives, where whatever you have learned, whatever you have gleaned over the past few years, you'll be able to put into practice, and you'll be able to make meaningful contributions, both in your individual as well as in your collective roles as students. Talking about graduation day, what's most important for all of you to remember is that you carry within you much of the magic that you desire in the world. It takes me back to 2014, when I had the opportunity to attend a symposium, a World Education Symposium at the Google headquarters in Mountain View in California, near San Francisco, where at that Google Education Symposium, there were many young people like yourselves who are already working with the Google. We know that Google is a very large tech company, and they take the best and they take the cream of the world. And there was one young lady who was attached to take us around, and she was also heading a very critical component. She was an Indian girl. I thought perhaps she may be from one of the IITs or one of the IIMs of the country, or perhaps she may be from one of the 4 big cities, from Calcutta or Bombay or Chennai or Bangalore. But to my surprise, my pleasant surprise, she did her schooling from a place called Hasimara. When I asked her about her background, I said, "Where are you from? Which part of India? Where did you study?" She said, "Sir, I think you will not know the name of the town that I'm from and the name of the school that I was from. I was from Kendra Vidyalaya, Hasimara." Now, to many of us, we may not know where the town is. Fortunately, because I grew up in North Bengal, I had a familiarity with this place, Hasimara, which is a small little town bordering in fact, Bhutan. It's on the Indo-Bhutan border. It's a very small place, and there's a Kendra Vidyalaya there. And this young lady who had made it to a very senior position in Google, she actually did her schooling from that particular institution and hailed from that place. So it is really wonderful, it's really remarkable to see that so many, and she was also telling me that so many of her young colleagues, not only in Google, but those who are working in other big tech companies, were from these smaller institutions, from smaller places. They were not from Calcutta or Delhi or Bombay. They were not from the IITs or from the IIMs, but they were self-propelled, passionate individuals who were equipped at their school to learn and to better themselves. And they had now reached right up to they had occupied these senior positions in these giant tech companies in USA, and that is it's a remarkable story. It's a remarkable journey that they've made. So if you are a flower, you will bloom anywhere. It doesn't matter where you're from, but if you carry that passion, if you carry that sense of purpose, that aspiration, you can make an impact anywhere. And we are now called to be challenged. And I'm happy that Snort College has equipped you with good all-round education, so that you can emerge and go into the outside world and be, equipped to be not only to be job seekers, but hopefully to be job creators, to be employable. We often talk about unemployment problem, but whenever we sit with the experts, they say that we need employable people. So you have got a degree now. It's important for you that you also equip yourselves with more skills, with communication skills, with the IT skills, so that you become more and more employable. The biggest challenge that the world faces, our state faces, is to have employable people, is to have people with skill sets. There could be
Kabalawan College Umsning hakalai pawai tarik Nailar kala penku buram haka jingelang bakerpang graduation day arhajar arpulai yaki san pulai ngut kisamla ki bala pas bha yaka undergraduate examination bala penbena daka Northeastern Hills University. Hakane ka jingelang penku buram la sam sernot shaki samla ki bala pas bala ai khusnam kerpang ru shaki samla ki bawan shakmat bat yaka kong lakantius emli san pulai snam kerta kabala pendep yaka jingpuli hakerta kabala he bha. Hakane ka jingelang penku buram uba Jason S. Maulong MLA barim ka Umsning ulalong ukong san haka jingdan rengkat ka kong Magdalene S. Maulong MDC Umsning kum ka sembur kong san. Kinong hikai ki samla puli bat ki kemeki kpa kila penrehem yakane ka jingelang. Reverend Padar Lawrence Kharkuni Principal ulakran pediang ngobha yaki kong san bat ulaya ru yaki kemeki kpa bat yaki samla ki bala pas bha haki jing puli jungki. Uba Jason S. Maulong habakran hagani kasngi kumu kongsan ula ai mensie meki samla ban ya chakmat bat bantur yaki rai raidam wat laki jing babun ki khanglat haka jing jongki ula penkut dagaba kentu yaki samla dagaba ong pidei ban ka jing kaba bet bat le kaba bhatam haka lang salang.
Hard work, determination and perseverance have paid off and you have earned your degrees. As you leave Balawan and embark on the next phase of your journey, I encourage you to embrace new challenges and meet them with strength and courage. Remember the many good things that you have learned in this college, the skills and the knowledge you have gained in this college are valuable assets that will serve you well in all areas of your life. I urge you to use these skills and knowledge to make a lasting impact on the people around you. I would like to acknowledge with gratitude the hard work done by Sir Jason Moro, who worked hard and went out of the way and all the way, to get a project for the construction of the Balawan Girls Hostel. Let us give a big round of applause to our hands for the big work that was done. I know for sure that with the coming of the college hostel, many girls from our rural and rural areas will benefit, and this will enhance the enrollment of our college, and also will get the girls and students not only from Meghalaya but maybe from different states of the Northeast, and that will have a very healthy competition, so that will take our college forward We are fortunate also to have a very hard-working principal. In this past few days, because of the NDP, because of the NAKA preparation, father is sitting, he used to go to bed by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So very hard work, all for the good of the college and for your good. So let us give a big clap to him. So I appreciate and I acknowledge the gratitude all those in one way or other have helped in the growth of this college. Adam, Magdalene Maulong also in a small way have contributed, and also all, as I said, Sarkoros, and you, staff, students, teachers, all of you in one way or other, you have tried your best to make this college great, and I'm sure great missionary, great Father Michael Balawan, who is honorably directed this college, will be very happy and glad seeing the great work of you in this place. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to Graduation Day Organization Committee, esteemed chief guests, guests of honor, and all our well wishers for joining us on this occasion. To you, our dear graduates, I offer my sincere congratulations once again and wish you all the very best as you embark on the new chapter of your lives. Thank you.
The smallest of the smallest things in your life will shape up your life. The smallest of the smallest things. These are the smallest things that will teach you the most important aspect in your life. So I need you students to reflect on your journey. Now that you graduate, now you are in your own launch time. Now you are your own master now. Now it is up to you what you aspire, what you want to become. But at the end of the day, some of you become engineers, some of you become doctors. But never forget to become a good human being. This is what the world needs right now. I'm sure so many of you would have met so many good people around you. How easy is to communicate with them? It's very convenient to be around good people. So we need good people in this world so that things become more convenient and more easy for every one of us. Why do I say that, I'm telling you? Because majority of you, I am sure you will succeed in life. Like I said, some of you will become leaders. But never forget, if you want to become a human being, a good human being, I think we need to have that love and respect for one another. Some of you will become engineer, doctor. Some of you will become very rich. But make sure if you become rich, not at the cost of the poor. I'm telling you that. Some of you become very powerful. You can become powerful, but not at the cost of the weak. Some of you may seek fame, but do not ignore the shine. This is what I want to put it across to all the students. The world is in your palm right now. Now it's all up to you. How do you proceed ahead in life? Don't give up. I'm standing here, I'm sure everyone that is here, we are putting a hard work and dedication. I'm sure that failure is just one step below to success. Just one step below to success. So any of you that fail doesn't mean that it is the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. Work hard. I'm sure that we have one of the best examples that we got a special award. It is just a number. It is just a number. I'm telling you. The world is in your palm. And you have to make the best of it. So thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this beautiful program. And I will be close to the college. I have tried my level best in the past to get sanction of various programs, various like the girls' hostel. But I am sure that is not the end. It's just the beginning. Because I want the youth of this college to strive ahead and be someone in the future. Thank you so much.
Badak tu Khubor la poy chakapakon tarahdo bangin dia syambiang Khublai Shibon.